Hi friends, today I am going to discuss about data cleaning topic in data mining. So I can say this is one of the major topics in data mining. I can say data cleaning in data mining is a first step to understanding your data. A data cleaning is a technique that is applied to remove the noisy data and correct the inconsistencies in data. So the end user can expect the knowledge on data. See, if your data is clean, then he can or she can get the knowledge. Based on that knowledge, so obviously he can take the decisions to improve their business. That's the reason data cleaning is a technique that is applied to remove the noisy data and correct the inconsistency in data. See, if there any noise available in data, data cleaning is a technique to remove that noisy data. Now, data cleaning is also referred to as we know, data cleaning or data scrubbing. Sometimes we can call it as data scrubbing also. Data cleaning is the act of cleaning up a data set by finding and removing errors. See, if there are any errors, obviously data cleaning can find that errors. So how means, so you will get the idea about data cleaning. To better understanding, have a idea. So idea about data cleaning. Now see, by using this example, you will get the idea about data cleaning. So computer cleaning means using specialized software to convert errors in your data. So obviously, see if there are any errors on your database table. So obviously, softwares can assist. Cleaning means using specialized softwares. So the softwares can identify the unwanted data, noisy data, and errors in the data. So how the data is stored in the form of tables, right? So if there any errors, noisy data, and so on, missing values, in that cases, softwares can identify those unwanted data and rectify it. So obviously, software plays a major role in data cleaning. The software works by comparing unclean data with accurate data in a database. It also checks manually entered data, again, standardization rules. So obviously, so for example, so manually entered in the sense, so there is a registration page. So if you want to enter your email ID, so obviously can you give without at the rate and domain? No, right? So in that cases, software identifies and it throws an message to the user to enter such kind of emails. Now see example. For example, it would change India to India when capitalizing the names of states. So, for example, so in registration page in the country, so I entered INDIA small letters. Now, data cleaning identifies this kind of information and it converted into so useful and standardization format. So, example here I entered a small I. So, in that cases in database only, so software identifies so that I and converted into capital I because names of the countries should be starts with I, right? That as you age old story, right? So it would change India to capital I India when capitalizing the names of stars. So in these cases also data cleaning identifies the noisy data into useful data. Now see another example. Consider the example of gender as a defined variable. So there usually should be two classes in this case. So one is male and the second one is female. So, but you may encounter more than two different categories of the variable in a dataset. So obviously for assistance, so in place of male you can enter M or MALE, FEM dot or F. So data cleaning identifies the specific format. So, data cleaning helps to recognize such mislabeled or inconsistently capitalized cases. The outcome in the gender example would be a cleaner classification of grouped datasets. So that is male and female. So if we entered M in gender field also, it rectify that value and it can convert it into MALE. So because MALE and FEMALE is a standard format in the universe. So that's the reason data cleaning is really useful. So why? So we have to convert M in place of MALE, means suppose if you want to identify the number of people available in the country. So obviously you have to get the sum field. At the same time, so those who are staying in so and so city, so gender is equal to male. So in that cases, some people may enter MALE, some people may enter M. So in that cases, those who are entered MALE, so that kind of result will be retrieved. So if I convert all M's to MALE, so that you will get the accurate data. So that's the reason data cleaning is really useful. So in that cases, cleaner classification of group data sets. Now another example is dates and times. These are the few examples only. There are a number of examples. There are maybe even more ways to write a data than to write a name. So there are formats are available. So in dates and times. So one is mmdd 4 wise dash mm dash dd and dd space space 4 wise are just a few examples, right? So in addition, times may be given in 12 hours or 24 hours format and may or may not included seconds. So based on the organization rules and regulations, so data will find out that kind of formats and convert it into specific format, so user expected format. Now see another example, locations. The same location may be referred to by several names or by its latitude and latitude. So for example, the United States may be written as U.S, US, USA, or United States of America. So based on the organization rules and regulations, if you enter U.S or US or USA, so data cleaning technique converted into one specific format. So that is United States of America. Not only this, based on the user requirements. Sometimes some organizations may expect so all should be in US. In that cases also, if you entered United States of America in place of in location field, that will be converted into US. Next, cleaning your enterprise data can fix these major issues. So not only those examples, see in the can fix these major issues. So in data cleaning, duplication, irrelevance, inaccuracy, inconsistency, incompleteness, is also called as missing data, outliers, lack of standardizations. So in this case also, data cleaning technique will be really useful. So if there are any duplications of data, so obviously data cleaning identifies and it converted into useful format. Now see benefits of data cleaning. Now the direct benefits of data cleaning include more accurate insights and predictions, better employee productivity and efficiency, higher revenues and lower costs, so more satisfied customers. So these are the few benefits of data cleaning. There are a number of benefits available in data cleaning. Now thank you for watching this video. Do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe.